Imagine this. You upload two simple images, hit a single button, and boom! They transform into a smooth cinematic video where your characters come alive. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's the power of Higgsfield AI. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into something absolutely mind-blowing. Creating videos using keyframes on Higgsfield AI. In this video, I'll show you how to use Higgsfield's keyframe feature to turn static images into dynamic Hollywood-style clips. From setting up your start and end frames to generating cinematic visuals that look straight out of a movie. I'll walk you through it all step by step. Now I'm going to start creating videos using keyframes on Higgsfield AI. And you might be wondering, why Higgsfield? Well, there are two big reasons. First, on Higgsfield, you get access to the Google Vio 3.1, Kling 2, and Minimax Hailuo 02 to start creating videos using keyframes. And second, if you are part of the Ultimate or Creator program, you get unlimited access to incredible AI like Sora 2, Van 2.5, etc. How cool is that? Getting started is super simple. Just click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll see an interface that looks just like this. Alright, now let's get to the fun part, generating videos with keyframes. In another way, we called it start and end frames. Just hover over the video section and from there select Minimax Hailuo 02. Higgsfield also have access to the AI models that supports keyframes. Models include Google Vio 3.1, Kling 2. With Minimax Hailuo 02, you can create both text to video and image to video content, which is just incredible. Let's start with keyframes feature. Here we have two options, start frame and end frame. Here we need to upload two images. If you are generating video using only text prompt, you can leave them blank. I start by clicking on the start frame and choose to upload an image. I upload an image of none other than Spider-Man. Next, I move on to the second that says end frame and this time I upload the street image. After a quick upload, his thumbnail appears right alongside the Spider-Man. Just below that is the prompt box. This is where I describe exactly what I want to happen in the video. I have already got my idea prepared, so I simply paste it in. The concept, Spider-Man walking down a city street. Simple but powerful. Next, you can choose your video duration. As you can see, it supports videos up to 10 seconds long, which is pretty amazing. I'll keep it at 4 now. After that, you can also choose resolution. You can see here it supports up to 1080p. Once everything's ready, just hit generate and boom, here's the result. Take a look at this footage, guys. It's absolutely stunning. And let me tell you, the result is astonishing. Seeing two completely different images come to life and interact in a scene is just incredible. We created a Hollywood-style animation using keyframes feature. Honestly, the possibilities here are limitless. With this feature in your hands, the only boundary is your imagination. Now let's have another example. I start by clicking on the start frame and choose to upload an image from my computer. Next, I move on to the second that says end frame. Just below that is the prompt box. I simply paste the prompt. The concept? The supercar racing alone in the road. Once everything's ready, just hit generate and boom, here's the result. Take a look at this footage, guys. It's absolutely stunning. And let me tell you, the result is astonishing. Now with the same images, let's try keyframes with another model in Higgsfield. To that, just select the new model. Let's say I'm selecting Kling 2.1. I start by clicking on the start frame and choose to upload an image from my computer. Next, I move on to the second that says end frame and I upload second image. Just below that, I simply paste text prompt in the box. The concept? Spider-Man walking down a city street. Simple but powerful. Once everything's ready, just hit generate and boom, here's the result. Take a look at this footage, guys. It is absolutely stunning. Now let's have another example. I start by clicking on the start frame and choose to upload an image from my computer. Next, I move on to the second that says end frame. Just below that is the prompt box. I simply paste the prompt. The concept? The supercar racing alone in the road. Once everything's ready, just hit generate and boom, here's the result. Take a look at this footage, guys. It's absolutely stunning. And let me tell you, the result is astonishing. Both Hailuo AI and Kling AI have nailed it with their amazing feature keyframes. Now let's back to Hailuo 02. This time, we will generate video using single frame. I uploaded the first frame and pasted this text into the prompt box. With the same settings, I just hit generate and boom, here's the result. Hailuo 02 totally nailed it. The warm glow, the detailed rocks in the background, everything looks straight out of a movie. The gloves, the handlebars, even the sand, everything looks so real. And that smooth natural camera movement, just wow. But here's what really blew my mind. The sound. It's insanely realistic and matches the visuals perfectly. You can hear every little detail. And honestly, if someone showed me this clip without context, I'd swear it was filmed in real life. Hailuo 02 is honestly on a whole different level. This is some seriously impressive stuff. Alright, let's try one more. I'll drop another image and insert this prompt in. Hit generate. And wow, check this out. This one is just pure fun. I wanted to see Stephen Hawking making an entrance at a WWE fight. And guess what? Hailuo totally delivered. Look at this. He's rolling into the arena in his wheelchair, pyrotechnics exploding behind him, and the crowd going absolutely wild. It looks exactly like a real WWE entrance. And the announcers? Perfect. And the best part? This is exactly what I asked for. From just a text prompt to a full-blown cinematic WWE entrance. Hailuo 2 absolutely nailed it. This right here shows the true power of text to video. It's wild, it's creative, and it's so much fun. And the crazy thing? Videos like this are going viral on Instagram right now. And the best part is, you can make them too. So there you have it, folks. Keyframes feature available exclusively on Higgsfield AI. I'm telling you, with just a little creativity and effort, you can take your content creation game to an entirely new level using start and end frames. Now go ahead, give it a try and start creating your own cinematic masterpieces. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered creative tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.